Welcome to the heart of automotive innovation, Japan. Here, precision meets passion, crafting vehicles that define global standards. From sleek designs to the high-tech factories, Japan's automotive industry is a marvel of modern engineering. Step inside and witness the meticulous dance of robotic arms. Every component, from engine assembly to intricate wiring, is handled with unparalleled accuracy. Skilled workers oversee these automated processes, ensuring flawless integration and superior craftsmanship. Vast factory floors stretch before us, a symphony of synchronized machinery. Conveyor belts glide, carrying car bodies through a seamless production flow. This immense scale and efficiency allow Japan to produce millions of vehicles, meeting global demand with remarkable speed. But it's not just about speed, it's about perfection. Rigorous testing, both automated and manual, ensures every car meets the highest quality benchmarks. Engineers constantly innovate, integrating advanced diagnostics and new technologies to push boundaries. As finished cars roll off the line, they carry with them a legacy of excellence. Japanese auto production isn't just building cars, it's driving the future, one meticulously crafted vehicle at a time. Experience the innovation, experience Japan.